ubethe nge-star vaya. Hey, kwenzeka ntoni kanye?
What do you mean? Nothing.
Uthe chu, how you stole 2 million?
How was 2 million stolen under my name?
You stop it right there. Yabona uyajustifya zisuka nje. Ngakakhali nesibhamu. Marathon zazogijima 100 meters. Hey.
Isixhosa sakho si-bad.
Okay. Hayi. They are forced.
Okay.
Ntwana kuba uyandijaja ngoku.
But then this other day, cabandaya ke ekhaya, someone took a picture of me at home, or I don't know the story. But then, bathatha cousin wam. So cousin wam had no choice. Ba abase ehokini yami apho ndihlala khona.
We most wanted. What's the bamba nabantu your style?
They got there, I was sleeping, konqonqozwa. I was like, noba ngubani lo at this time. But xa bephinda benokho kwesibini ndibuza ubana ngubani, kwalayita itorch. And I was like, okay, this is it.
Yey, nature inazo ziyayazi trauma yokuvuswa aborhata ngetotshi.
I know.
Have you ever received anything unscrupulous in your account? You knowing?
No, I didn't receive any money.
Yeah.
But if ever kuthiwa ndiyityile la mali, yes, I was enjoying iparty ezenziwe ngala mali. But I never received any money. I drank the alcohol. They tengela shemi outfit. So that is the only way and benefiting ngayo out of.
Yeah. Did you ever suspected something fishy whilst lento beyenzeka?
No, I didn't suspect anything because ndiqhela umncedisa xa ine events esenza decoration. So the price endayikhuphayo, the amount endayikhuphayo, it's equivalent to prices zakhe.
How many people do you think they fall prey of ama-crimes abangawenzanga? Manyani.
A lot. So I went to a Hout Bay kwa ABSA, ndakhupha 20,000. Life continued as per normal. And that was it. Only to find out ngalamini ndibanjwa ngayo that they were busy stealing money from ABSA, which amounted to 2 million.
Hayi naye lo ngathi liyanuka ifuthe emlomeni uyidlile le nyama.
No man, because ndifonele ngu-detective and then he was questioning me bana ndingibongiwe. I used to work kwa Home Choice, I used to work kwa Gems, ndiphela kwa Old Nishwa because I already changed umsebenzi at that time. So ndaba like bana, you know me, and then investigation yantolo uyenzayo ndadrop ifone. Then I contacted umfazi kabrother wami bamamela ngicela unjolele namba man ku-through caller kukho lo muntu undikayo and this. Then wathi bana wenze ntoni because kusuka imoto apho buzokhangelwa. Ngoma what? Akho ndiyenzileyo nje. Then athi ke na ke, oh okay, that's fine. Did I don't have a problem ndinganisa cousin because andizukwazi uphendula anything le nto niyibuza nizanibuza yona. So maseni kuye. Nyani apha ndifonele ichomi yami inzisela izinto zami. Sihambe siye police station ePinelands. Xa sifike police station ePinelands bandifundele rights zami. And only to find out umuntu wokuqala ubanjwe ngo4, umuntu wesibini ubanjwe ngo6. Then mina was the last person ubanjwe.
Bebanikoleka that day.
So 2 million, there was 100 and something on my account. But they were transferring imali ke ngoku to the 2 different accounts. The person that was sending imali to account yam is the person which is the 4th accused wayephangela ka ABSA. So the total amount that was stolen kwa ABSA was 2 million. Okay. I was angry because ndabanjwa for a weekend. Then xa ndivela court on Monday, there is a lawyer that's there to represent me. Then xa ndimbuza bana uthunyelwe ngubani uvelaphi, uthi uthunyelwe nguPhumla, which is I don't know any Phumla. Dike situation enjena because of trusting, and only to find out lo Phumla ngukousin. Zange abanjwe till today. And
He's the most wanted.
And I tried to open a case now so that I can be at peace knowing bana nguye owenze lento, I didn't do anything. But got her a police station and this was a case because she didn't steal my card. I gave my card to her.
How many years mawukhuluma no magistrate la?
I decided, but let me take a plea deal. Then
you're guilty.
Yes. because ihleli izongigweba a case anyway. So should they find me guilty, I'm looking at 15 years and up. And then there is a plea deal, which is a plea deal, it's 8 years. 5 years suspended, 3 years imprisonment. And I have umntana. I don't want my son to grow up without me. So I took the plea deal, which is the 8 years, 5 years suspended, 3 years imprisonment.
Nazo-ke bakwenzeni ejele?
Ejele.
Hey, bayenzana phela ejele. Bakwenzeni ejele? And ngithanda uqinisa.
Ejele, I'll say emotionally and mentally it changed me. It changed the person that I am. Financially, ebadrainile abantu basekhaya.
Yeah.
And sexually.
Yeah, nembobo etrongweni.
Sexually.
Bahleka yabona le camera ibhekile. Eke?
Sexually.
Akunanyani tu. Hey, andithembi.
Undembi.
Hayi andithembi.
Hayi man, siyenza loo nto.